Hey everyone, Sunflower Illustrations here with Sunflower Earrings Part 2. This is the color scheme I plan to paint on the now dried sunflower earrings. On the middle of the sunflower, I plan to add like a nice gold brown on the middle of the sunflower. And also on the back of the sunflower earring, I added a little stem and I will paint it green. This is how they came out. I actually didn't like it and decided to scrap the idea and make a new design, which I added like small little circles on the middle as if it represented the seeds of the sunflower. I really loved how the finished look it gave to the flower, and now I will add a different painting design, which I will make like a nice black and yellow paint around the sunflower. I love how they came out. I really love the realism it gave to the sunflower, if that makes any sense. The type of yellow I used was cadmium yellow medium hue and a little bit of gold paint. Oh, and if you're wondering what paint I use, I'm sorry I didn't mention it. It's acrylic paint. So these are how both of them came out. I love how the gold paint gave a nice shine to the petals. So afterwards, I was debating about the earring hook that I use. It was too long. So what I did was try to figure out how to take out the earring hook. So I decided to pull both of them out and replace them with a shorter earring hook. Afterwards, there was a nice hole to be able to add more clay and be able to place the earring hook inside of the clay. So I let that dry and it was able to stay stable. I decided to, with my tiniest brush, paint the already now dry clay on the areas it seemed fit. So this is how they came out. I loved how they came out. I did a prototype kind of for the earring for show. Thanks for watching.